So we've got an F-Type Jag with us here at TTW, which we've been doing a nice upgrade for Apple CarPlay in this particular vehicle. It's a real popular upgrade now on the F-Type Jags, and it really does make a difference in terms of the media system, which is in here. So I'll just show you how it all works within here on an F-Type Jag. So you have your existing OEM system. We don't change any of that. We just basically integrate our CarPlay system into here, and it's just activated through by pressing the home button. And then because this is obviously touchscreen anyway, you get the full touchscreen ability through here. Obviously Google Maps, which is there. Obviously all your music and everything else that you'd want in here, that's obviously saved on your iPhone, which is, it's plug-in as well as for charging, but you can also do wireless with Apple in there. And then it's as easy as, if you want to just get back out of the screen, back to the original, it's just in and out like that. So it's completely seamless in here. We also integrate it with the reversing camera as well, so you don't lose any of that functionality within the car. As soon as you go back out of reverse, it's instant back into here. Our kits, compared to a lot of kits on the market, which there are a lot of kits on the market, it's very smooth, very slick. It's not clunky. We've been installing these now for over 4.5 years now with the same manufacturer that we use. We work with them in development as well for other vehicles if kits aren't available. So it's a tried and tested product that we install here at TTW. So if you do have an F-Type Jag or other Jaguar in the range, I'm sure we can offer the same upgrade for you. Then please get in touch at TTW Installations.